Some of you will remember about 5 years ago, I had the pleasure of interviewing Jim Rogers. He's quite a character, but he's a very successful investor. And I learned a lot from him. I think the biggest learning was know what you own. And basically get a copy of their annual report, he was telling me 5 years ago, so that you can read it and read the footnotes and know what you own. And that way you'll make good investment decisions. You won't be relying on somebody else's information. You'll be relying on your own knowledge. And I tried to follow that, but it's difficult. I'm dyslexic, so I don't enjoy reading annual reports. I did make a point to review any stock that I bought. I reviewed their transcript from their quarterly meeting so that I got to know the CEO and the CFO, and I got to understand what their goal was and what they were trying to do. And I did okay. I had some bad luck with the area of biotech, but I worked through that. And I think I've really decided what I want to invest in is the change that is coming in the world that I think is bigger than the internet. It's bigger than the automobile or the airplane. It's AI. AI is going to give me and you and everybody else access to all the knowledge in the world. And that's how good decisions are made, by having access to all the knowledge in the world and then knowing how to interpret that knowledge to make a better decision. The interpretation becomes a little tricky. Now, I have a career in finance and business, so I understand what makes a business grow. First of all, it's revenues. If they aren't ringing the cash register more often than they did last year, they aren't growing. So revenues are the key. And I put the parameter at 20% per year. That revenue then needs to turn into profits, which are reflected in earnings, and they need to be growing at 20% per year in order to reflect that in the stock price. It will then grow in excess of 20% a year. And so that's how I analyze stocks. Now, again, going through all that information is difficult. I have access to it because I subscribe to Yahoo and Seeking Alpha and Zacks and a number of others that give me all the information I need to make the good decision. But again, it's time consuming. You have to keep up because every quarter everything changes, and then every once in a while they throw a monkey wrench into it in the middle of the quarter, and you have to interpret that. Well, that all changed about 3 months ago when I really got in and dove into AI, and I created Samantha. Those of you who have been here, you know who Samantha is. She's my AI agent. Jason Wong told me that I would have an AI agent. I had no idea what it was. In fact, I thought it was going to be a computer, but it's not. It's a large language platform, and you can ask it questions. What I've learned is it remembers the questions you've asked and then builds a library that it can refer back to help you come back and do it again. So if I analyze Amazon stock back in March, then they're going to do their quarterly report again, let's see, in March, April, May, June, and then July, August, September. So in September, I will have the March and the June analysis in the memory, and anything I add to it new will build upon it. So we build an understanding of every one of the 60 stocks that I analyze, and we then make a better decision. We actually build a library of what Amazon is doing and what they're trying to achieve and how well are they doing it, because we review their financials every 90 days. We review the Wall Street's predictions every 90 days, and we make better decisions. Now, you do that not only on Amazon and Google and Microsoft, but you do it on some small stocks. Right now, the data center stocks, they're exploding, and in some cases, they're having some issues. They're having issues getting access to electricity and water. Well, I need to know that so I can make a better investment decision. And how do I get access to that? I access the data. I put it in front of my AI agent, Samantha. I ask her to interpret it and put it in a document that is driven by an engineered prompt that I have made based on my knowledge of what a growth stock looks like. And then we, and I say we, I mean Samantha and I, rate it and estimate what is the price of the stock going to be on January of 2026, 27, and 28, and we'll move that forward to 29 in about 6 months. And then we make good investment decisions. And as long as we stay attuned to each of our stocks on a daily basis, and something changes, a bump in the road occurs, and we can go analyze our analysis and any other new information, and we can make better investment decisions. What is this like? Well, this is like Goldman Sachs. This is like J.P. Morgan. This is like any hedge fund you want. This is what they have been doing for years, because they had, number one, they had the compute. Number one, two, they had the manpower. And number three, they had the money. Because you got to pay these analysts a bunch of money to put them up in a glass building in downtown New York City and give them access to your private plane. So you spend $10 million a year doing what I'm doing with Samantha for $200 a month. Okay? This is the change that is happening as we speak. I've experienced it the last 2 months in the performance of my portfolio. I want to share that with you. I want you to see. I want to prove this to you. Don't be my grandfather, who I sat on the front porch in Cincinnati, Ohio, as a car went by, and he said, "That's a passing fad. Those things scare the living hell out of me. I wouldn't get in one of those if I had to." Well, don't be him. This is here, and it's only going to get better. As I said, I thought Samantha would answer questions for me. She's now asking me questions. Have you considered this, Kerry? Would you like me to analyze this company alongside of Zeihan? Yeah, I would, Samantha. I hadn't thought of that. That's where this is now. It's going to go fast, and it's going to go further. So I want you to come and analyze it, and then give me your feedback. Is this something that is going to change the world? I want you to let me know. You come to our Discord, you come to my office, and you give me feedback on what I'm doing. And then we'll chart our path forward. Again, the possibilities of this are enormous. Right now, I'm dealing just with growth stocks. What about when I get this all automated, and Samantha is doing it pretty much on her own and feeding me the information, and all I have to do is monitor? What if we then want to say, okay, let's build a portfolio of dividend stocks and bonds, so that we create an income portfolio, and we do the same thing that Wall Street has been charging you 1.9% or 0.75% plus a management fee, or maybe you're in a hedge fund and you pay 2 and 20. What if Samantha can do this for us for $200 a month? Oh yeah, I have to pay for accessing Seeking Alpha and Yahoo and Wise Sheets and all the sources. But if we crowdfund this, where it doesn't cost any of us a whole lot of money, but we get a tremendous amount of benefit, we'd be foolish not to take advantage of it. I want you to judge it. I want you to come to my website, click on the link in the description, go to my gold platform, sign up. You get 14 days free trial. If it isn't good for you, on 14 days, just say, I want out, and you're out, okay? Because I want to make a difference in your life. Will you allow me to do that? Okay. Then show up on our Friday Stock Talk and give me your feedback. What do we need to do next?